Welcome to Kommunicate. In this video, we are going to show you how we can add an AI agent to a WordPress site. To begin, visit the Kommunicate website and click on Get Started or Try for Free. You will get a 30-day free trial with Kommunicate. Once inside, you need to go into Agent Integrations on the left-hand panel and then select Compose. Over here, you will give your AI agent a name. For example, we will name this agent WordPress AI Agent. You can select how the agent should behave, professionally casual, and also choose the length of the answers that the AI agent should use. There are some predefined instructions which are already available. You can also delete them or use your own custom instructions. Don't forget to click on Save and Continue. Now, your AI agent has been created. You can update the welcome message. This is the message visitors will see when they arrive. For example, here you can use buttons and say, "Hey, thank you for considering us as a healthcare provider." You can also change it to, "Hi, welcome to our website. How may I help you?" Now, imagine you are an e-commerce company. You can change these buttons back to, for example, refunds. You can also add buttons like shipment tracking to track shipping, ID, or refunds. This human agent handover is used whenever the AI agent is unable to answer any query, or when we want the AI agent to hand over those queries to a human agent. Here, we are going to assign it to a specific human. We can also assign it to a specific team. For example, we are assigning it to David Smith and then hit Train. We'll pause here for now. We are changing this and moving to our next section, which is Knowledge Source. A knowledge source is the place from where the AI agent will fetch its data. We can train the AI agent on documents, website URLs, and knowledge-based help centers. Here, we have prepared an FAQ for a blogging site. There are a few questions, and the AI agent will train on this documentation. In the same way, you can have your own FAQ where you can train the AI agent on your frequently asked questions about your business or e-commerce business. So, this is the website where we will put the AI agent. This is a WordPress site, a blogging site, and we will place the AI agent here so that whenever a website visitor arrives, they can get immediate assistance. Now, over here, what we are doing is we are training the AI agent with documents. It will take a few seconds for it to be trained. Okay, now this has been trained. As we can see, the AI agent has been trained on the document. Next, what we need to do is test it. Hi. What is this? This is a question that we have picked up from our documentation FAQ, and it has immediately started picking up answers. Your users can give a thumbs up or thumbs down based on how they feel the answer has been provided by the AI agent. Now, your AI agent has been created. Next, we need to integrate it with your WordPress. So for this, what we have to do is go to your WordPress account. It should look something like this. And on the left-hand side, go to Plugins. Under Plugins, add New Plugin and look for Kommunicate in the search panel. You will find Kommunicate AI Agents and Live Chat. Click on it and click on Install and Activate. It will take a few seconds for the plugin to get activated. If we scroll down, we can see that it has been activated. Now click on Settings. On Settings, it shows that we have integrated, allowing us to communicate with our business. Next, we need to update the app ID. For the app ID, go back to the Kommunicate dashboard. Then click on Integrations. On Integrations, we will see the app ID. Copy this, paste it here, and click on Save Changes. Now we have fully integrated the AI agent with our WordPress account. If we return to our WordPress website and refresh the page, we can see the chat widget appears immediately. Now, if we click on it, we can send a message. The WordPress AI agent greets us and asks, "Welcome to our website. How may I help you?" If we had added the refund links here, website visitors could click on them and track different requests. Let's try asking, "What is all right?" The AI agent instantly starts giving answers. Let's try a few more questions from the FAQ. Let's ask, "Is it a fiction?" So, this is how we can instantly create an AI agent and upload it into a WordPress account in less than 5 minutes. Thank you for watching this video.